Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis world. Today I am going to show you delicious goat keema recipe which we can prepare in no time. It is super moist and goes pretty well with rice, roti or chapati. Do try making keema this way and I am pretty sure you'll love it. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Friends, as a one pot recipe, here we are using pressure cooker to prepare goat keema. Now let's heat 3 tablespoons oil. I think oil is hot enough. Let's add 2 medium sized finely chopped onions. One-fourth teaspoon of turmeric. 4 medium spiced green chilies. Now let's fry everything on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we can see onions turned little crisper. Now it's time to add some masala. Here we are using homemade garam masala paste for which I'll post the video soon. Instead of this masala we can also use some ginger garlic paste along with some garam masala powder. Let's cook this masala paste for 5 minutes on low flame. By now all the raw flavor from masala should be gone. Now let's add half tablespoon chilli powder. We need to be little careful about spice level as we have already added green chilies in the beginning. After cooking 1 minute on low flame, let's add our main ingredient keema. Now turn the flame to medium high and let's fry keema for at least 10 minutes. Friends, add some turmeric powder while cleaning keema to remove any traces of bacteria. We should always fry non-veg initially on medium to high flame for at least 10 minutes. Our family loves this keema recipe which is so juicy and tastes amazing, and this has become one of our weekly recipes. Friends, we need to keep checking in between while frying keema on medium to high flame to avoid burning. After around 10 minutes of frying keema, let's add 1 cup of water for 250 grams of keema. Let's also add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and let it come to boil. We can see water started boiling. Let's close the pressure cooker lid and cook for 6 to 7 whistles. Now let's reduce the flame to low and simmer for 10 minutes to get the nice and thick gravy consistency. After 10 minutes of simmering, we can switch off the stove. Let it cool for few minutes and then we can open the lid. Friends, now it's time to open the lid and see how our delicious keema turned out to be. Can you feel the aroma? It's so yummy, right? If you like thin gravy, you can have it like this, or else switch on the flame and let it be on medium flame for 5 more minutes to evaporate all the water. I think we can now switch off the stove as gravy is thick enough. Finally, let's garnish with some coriander leaves, especially with curry leaves, which are super vitamin rich and adds nice flavor to our curries. Friends, it's time to enjoy our delicious keema with any of our choice like rice, roti or chapati. Do try this recipe and don't forget to share your feedback with me in the comment section below. Also, if you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World for much more delicious and easy to make recipes. Thank you.